guys, my grandma made some turkey meatloaf, and I want mashed potatoes, but I'm going to be cooking them. And you can get this at any grocery store. Since I can't cook yet, I have to use the easy ones, and I already have my water boiling. So when my water's finished boiling, I'll be back. Hi guys, I'm back. The water is boiled, and I'm going to pour this in there. Well, I'm turning this off. And I'm going to open this and pour it in there and stir it around. All you have to do, guys, and I recommend using these ones because they're easier. I'm still mixing it. You don't have to put any butter in it because there's already butter in there. I would say you could put milk in it, but I'm just saying I didn't put milk in there. I just used water and the mashed potatoes. Guys, I got it in my bowl, and it's not a lot of hard work, but mixing wise it is. So, got it. Oh, I see something. Hold on. Mush it down. It tastes good with butter, but you don't have to use it if you don't want to. I'm back with the turkey meatloaf and the mashed potatoes. The mashed potatoes are officially done, and this is how they look when they get done. And this is how the meatloaf looks. It's good. Okay, bye-bye, guys.